Sige. Okay.
Okay, so happy Friday, happy weekend to all. And this is the fourth of six or seven interviews for today. Record-breaking,
Wow.
siyempre. And part 2 to ng ating interview sa ating women's ice hockey team. At prinamis natin na of course, inatak ulit natin siya para makapanayam natin si Miss Catherine Tan from the women's ice hockey team para pag-usapan ang naging journey niya and the rest of the team sa SEA Games at the same time the preparations niya for the upcoming World Championships dyan sa Estonia, no? Tama?
Yes
Estonia?
po.
Yan.
Mm-mm.
Next month. So, buwati ka muna sa ating mga viewers and Happy New Year para sa inyo.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon and Happy New Year. So, thankful na na-invite kami ni Sir Gab for this interview.
Oo, dahil kahapon nakasama natin si Miss Jody, pero ngayon ikaw at while waiting si Elena will be joining us later o di kaya sa susunod na lang after the Worlds,
Yes.
mabibigyan natin ng opportunity yung si Elena natin. But anyway, Kat, the last time we saw each other nung nasa awarding and of course recognition of the Philippine Sports Commission in SM Skating. Ito unahin kong tanong, base sa mga statements niya ng ating mga officials natin, maganda talaga yung magiging perspective ika nga ng ating women's ice hockey dahil may extra oras pa kayo sa training. Tapos
Yes.
kinabukasan, pumunta pa kayo sa Intramuros to meet the President. Tapos nag-promise
Yes.
sa President ng dagdag cash incentives, dinoble pa. So, was
Oo.
it good news for all of you? Mukhang taas ng moral ito para sa ating ice hockey team.
Yeah, super, super grateful, no? Lalo na nabalitaan nga namin na magiging double yung cash incentives namin. And also, nalaman rin namin na parang magkakaroon kami ng mga free ice times. If you don't know, no, sa ice hockey kasi, we have to pay every training. So, syempre, medyo mabigat yun para sa amin. So, getting after SEA Games, getting all this recognition, the supports, kakatuwa naman mo talaga. As in, like, malaking tulong po to sa amin and talagang masaka-gana mag-practice, mag-training, lalo na with all the supports na we're getting.
Speaking
Kaya
of
super thank you po sa ice hockey and sa lahat ng mga nagsusuporta.
And speaking of that, lumabas ang inyong picture kasama ang Pangulo sa mga dailies natin, Philippine Star, Manila Bulletin, tapos sa Manila Standard. Awag ko pa din yung mga diaryo na yon na may
Wow,
labas
cute.
na picture. Baka pwede ko i-autograph yan. And then ito
Sige
pa,
po.
yan. Baka pwede ko pang i-autograph nyo pag nagkita ulit tayo. So, was that the feeling na hindi na sa sports page ang nilabas niyo? Sa front page pa mismo. Nagulat
Opo,
ka ba?
opo. Oo, gulat talaga kami kasi kahapon lang yan eh, no, na sa Star Magazine and then sa Manila Bulletin, front page talaga and even when you check online, yung mga posts sa presidential page, kami rin ng front page. So medyo nakakatuwa naman. And as a team kasi, no, si Eliana, pag nakikita niyo yung mga story na
Ma'am Kat, medyo may problema yung audio nyo. Hindi namin
hello,
narinig.
sorry.
Okay,
Ayan,
take
okay,
two.
better.
Take two. Yung kay
Ah,
Iliana.
okay. Okay. So yung kay Eliana, lagi namin yung ginagawa na 0.5 selfie. So going into the picture kay President, we were like, okay, we have to take this opportunity na makapag 0.5 selfie kay President. And so we did. And yun pala, nakuha din pala siya ng mga photographers. So nakakatuwa naman na yung photo na yun, lumabas din front page.
Oo, at mukhang dun sa mismong event, na-stress pa mismo yung mismong organizer. Sa dami pa naman ng nag-selfie kay Mr. President, kay President Marcos. Kaya nga, may times kasi na inuuna muna yung mga selfie, tas baba muna ang pwesto, tas
Oo.
papasok yung ibang grupo. And then, nagpa-change costume pa kayo kasi you actually won the gold dun sa Asia Cup. So,
Yes.
dagdag incentives na yun. So 60,000, I mean, 150 yata yung cash incentives. So, 300K plus 20,000 na cash incentives doon sa Asia Cup. Mukhang paldo na kayo.
Pero ano po yun, 20, since team sport, 20% lang
At
yung
20%.
makukuha
So,
namin.
magkakati-ati.
Opo.
Ati yung
Opo.
ating team. Share mo na lang yan eh.
Yes.
So,
Oo.
nakadoble talaga yung pa-picture ninyo with the president, no?
Opo.
Okay, let's go back muna sa SEA Games preparations. Galing kayo sa Asia Cup. Actually, tinanong ko ito kahapon kay Jody. Galing kayo sa
Mm-mm.
Asia Cup, tapos nag-resume ulit kayo sa training for the SEA Games campaign. At of course, ang target namin as usual is to clinch the goal. But of course, hindi pa rin papatalo yung mga kalaban natin, especially yung Host Thailand, which eventually won the gold medal. So, kamusta preparations along the way? Sabay na rin yung strength and conditioning and
Mm-mm.
other stuff na inaasikaso nyo with the team. And how was the progress so far? After ng Asia Cup, of course, diretso training na ulit for the team.
Yeah, so after, you know, coming in ho, no, to SEA Games, it was super good na nakabag kami ng gold sa Asia Cup cause kumbaga yun na yung naging momentum namin, no? Sa pag-uwi, konting celebration lang and then back to PSC na ulit kami, back to on-ice training. Tuloy-tuloy din ho talaga. Kumbaga, inaayos rin namin yung mga chemistry namin within the team. Tuloy-tuloy naman. We also knew, no, coming into this tournament rin na kumbaga yung mga kalaban namin, Thailand, Singapore, higher division ho kasi sila eh, more than us. So parang we knew na the SEA Games talaga was gonna be really tough. But you know, during the games, no, first game namin, 0-13 against the Thailand. And when we went against them again during the gold medal game, it was 4-13. So, you know, like, feeling ko naman, no, talagang grabe yung growth, yung lessons na natutunan ng buong team na talagang really had to dig deep, really had to adapt super fast para lang talagang matapatan yung Thailand.
So coming into this competition na rin, was there any time na medyo ingat-ingat kayo sa mga injuries and then of course yung gelling ng team na rin kasi most of them are of course ngayon lang naranasan dahil nag-debut yung sa SEA Games yung women's ice hockey kasi yung men's ice hockey it is already in the SEA Games before. But for the women's side, this is actually the first time for most of them. So, including you. So, ano ba pakiramdam
Yes.
nyo na, of course, debut sa SEA Games ang women's ice hockey?
Super like super happy. Like for me, I always say it's a surreal feeling. It's the first, you know, it's literally history in the making. First SEA Games ho namin yon, first SEA Games ng women's ice hockey team. Um, it's really a big achievement. And also, no, sa buong SEA Games, walang nakascore sa Thailand. Only Team Philippines ang nakascore against Thailand. So I think that's a really big accomplishment, really big growth for us, you know. And super nakakatuwa na coming into SEA Games, ang dami rin talaga nagsusupport. Ayun.
And somewhat, ika nga, uh, of course, kahit alam natin mabigat yung competition nyo, it seems na, of course, you have delighted that, of course, mas marami kayong mga experience na babaunin niyo and additional exposure nga for the team itong participation niya sa SEA Games. Lalo na, of course, not just Thailand, nagpalakas din, but of course, other competitors including Singapore, Malaysia. Was that any point na, of course, yung mga lessons na nakuha ninyo from the SEA Games could actually use to improve on in the next competition sa mga 2026 season natin?
Yes, I think no, Sir Gab, going into after SEA Games, we all realize na ito na yung standard ng play na kailangan namin i-adapt. Especially no, this Worlds debut. First time ho namin magko-compete sa Worlds, which means na mas malalakas na yung mga kalaban, mas matangkad, mas mabilis. So, we really have to learn na to adapt quickly and to accept rin na, okay, the competition is tougher, the competitions are going to be stronger and lot faster. So, we have to put in the work, we have to be humble, and we have to really, like, work hard for it. No? Like, we have to earn our spot para makakuha ng medal for this upcoming um debut sa Worlds sa Estonia this February 24.
Looking back muna sa SEA Games campaign, yung Thailand ba, yan ba yung talagang mahalagang match sa inyo na sabihin natin kahit natalo kayo, of course, na-boost panlalo yung moral at of course yung energy sa bawat laro at of course, nakita naman natin na of course, nanaig of course yung opensa at depensa ng Pilipinas para at least makakascore tayo ng sabihin natin only goals against Thailand sa mismong
Yes.
competition itself.
Yes, oo 'no, kasi naalala ko, so knowing na sa lahat ng kinalaban ng Thailand during SEA Games walang naka-score, kami lang. Ang naka-score lang ho is Daniel Imperial and ako, kaming dalawa lang. So, naalala ko talaga nung naka-score ako, parang hindi pa ako makapaniwala na, wow, like naka-score like against Thailand, like it was a big thing. But yeah, no, like we really I realized nga rin na like going to like um tawag dito like going to compete na with tougher teams, you really have to you're the only way to beat them is to play like a team. Because shooting those goals was really teamwork and ayun ho, parang yun yung mga parang lessons na I realized na you're only as weak as your weakest player. So kailangan talaga sabay-sabay kayong nagte-training, sabay-sabay kayong umaangat.
And with this silver medal on the bag, on the collection natin from the team, mas lalo ba kayo na-inspire panlalo with the dozens of the support of the Filipino community, even the chairman of PSC, Chairman Pato, were there in one of the matches. Parang sabihin natin nag-comfort kayo, nag-aalala siya nung natalo kayo against Thailand, pero sinabi natin na patuloy kayo lalaban, of course, to actually to clinch the podium sa bansa. And even though natalo tayo, of course, syempre hindi pa rin nawawala yung lungkot, pero of course, ang pinamis ninyo is kailangan makabawi panlalo sa mga susunod pang competitions. What about yung
Yes.
support
Mhm.
natin?
Yes, definitely babawi talaga, The goal is always gold. Always gold. And with all that, no, very thankful naman ho kami and very flattered na grabe ho yung support, coverage, media na nare-receive ng team, mga sponsorships also, our family and friends. Kayo po katulad ng Sports Corner na kino-cover yung sports namin. Like, it really helps na talagang laban lang.
At of course, after nito, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating training because ang pinaghahandaan natin is yung Division 3 Group B ng World Championships for Women's Ice Hockey nga dito sa Estonia. At of course, ibang klase competition kasi first timers pa lang kayo dito sa women's ice hockey. And then may mga
Yes.
mabibigat din mga kalaban dun sa Division B, Group B rather. Ang mananalo dito ay mapopumot sa Division A. Group
Mm,
A pala sa Division 3. So, mga kalaban ninyo, of course, Estonia, then South Africa, Israel, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Singapore. So,
yes.
what's your assessment sa mga abangan nating mga laban natin dito sa team, and how's the training right now?
Ay, andito na ho si Eliana, pumasok na ho siya.
Okay, so Kat, ikaw muna.
Ngayon ho, balik na ulit kami ng PSC. So kanina nga ho, meron kaming PSC workout. Balik na rin ang ice time natin. So meron tayong games na rin. WPHL. Like, tuloy-tuloy na rin ho yun. And hanggang February, parang meron ho tayong 4 to 5 times na ice time per week.
Okay, so Ileana, tuloy na tayo. I'll go back to you
Ay,
later, Kat.
sorry.
Ileana, first of
Yes
all,
po.
kamusta preparations natin last SEA Games? How's the progress nga pala? And narating nyo ba yung 100% natin for the SEA Games po?
Of course. Siyempre dapat prepared kami palagi. Before pa lang ng game, meron kami mga workouts or mga stretching before. So dapat talaga 100% per game kami ready.
Okay. Going back nga dun sa naging performance ninyo, kung saan nakalaban ninyo, of course, Thailand, and then other 3 countries na participating. What's your takeaways nga, especially yung sa gold medal match? How does it help nga pala dun sa performance ninyo overall? Yung takeaways ninyo from the recent SEA Games? Assessment.
Yung parang video review
No, ano lang,
games,
assessment po. Assessment sa performance ninyo.
assessment para sa amin.
Yes. On your part.
Sa gold medal game.
Especially doon sa gold medal and of course, the rest of the games na rin. Sorry, hindi tayo
Ah.
nagkataindihan.
um, Syempre, nakakatulong siya para alam din namin yung pwede namin magawa after tawag dito. Syempre, para alam din namin yung iwasan namin or dapat namin gawin sa self-assessments namin para maiwasan yung mga mistakes na nagawa na nangyari sa game. Yeah.
And Elena, kung sakali na mapili ka na of course magiging part ka ng team natin para dito sa World Championships, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba yung training hanggang kung sakali mapipili ka? And ano expectations nyo?
Syempre, after SEA Games and since lagi naman may upcoming tournaments, tuloy-tuloy pa rin dapat ang pagtitraining kahit parang dumadami yung players, so parang dumadami din yung options ng coaches, dapat pa rin give pa rin 100% every day sa training para mapakita ko sa coach na ready ako makipaglaban sa World Championship.
Okay. Last time nagkaroon kayo ng meeting una kay Chairman Patod, kay Sir Ansi, and then sumunod yung kay President Marcos, at mukhang nagulat ka doon sa cover photo sa karamihan sa mga Jalio na andun yung team mismo. Were you surprised sa mga magagandang balita na sinabi ni, of course, extended time sa training, tapos dagdag cash incentives na rin para sa inyo? Were you surprised Elena, sa mga dagdag cash incentives tapos dagdag na oras for training?
Um,
Were you surprised, Elena, nung nalaman ninyo na
Grateful na meron the government na we can really
okay, nawawala-wala si Elena, no? But we'll get back to her later kasi nagkaroon ng problema sa audio, hindi natin naintindihan yung sagot. But going back, Kat, okay. Okay na ba, Elena?
I'm sorry.
Okay na ang audio nyo?
Naririnig niyo po ba ako maayos?
Yes po. Pakiulit mo nga yung sagot kanina.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Sabi ko lang na not really surprised, but very, very grateful and appreciated na meron kaming nakuhang support and recognition from the government. Tapos, um, yun lang. Na very grateful talaga na we can really do this na may alam namin na may nagsusupport sa
Nawala bigla si Kat.
Mahina ata ang
Mahina
signal.
yung signal ni Mama Elena, no? Pero at least naintindihan naman yung sagot niya. Sabi niya, she's truly grateful. Hindi siya na-surprise sa, of course, mga bibinigay na mga cash incentives. Kaya nga pinatawag ko kayo dalawa. I just learned also that this upcoming Philippine Sports Writers Association Awards night, kayo yung ilan sa mga awardees sa special citation. So parang kasabay ninyo sa awards night sina Carlos Yulo, Alex Ayala, and even yung mga nag-gold sa SEA Games. It's all because of the gold medal finish back in the Asia Cup where you both were part of. But I remember na nag-interview tayo sa taas, sa fourth floor ng PSC building, kasama si Jasmine noon na kaka-celebrate lang ng kanyang birthday this month. So, what's the reaction nga pala dun sa upcoming PSA Awards ninyo? Of course, special citation and itong pagkapanalo ninyo, somewhat a huge help na rin for Philippine Ice Hockey as a whole. Kathleen muna.
Parang ngayon lang ho namin narinig about the special citation sa PSC Awards.
PSA Awards po, PSA.
PSA
Philippine Sport.
Awards. Kailan ho yun?
February 16 po sa may Diamond Hotel, Manila.
Ah, invited ho ang women's hockey team.
Oh, kasama yan sa nakalagay na press release nga. So, kabilang kayo doon sa mga special citations dito. And we do hope to see you kung sino man ang re-representa. And by the way,
Oo.
kalagitnaan pala ito ng training ninyo for the Worlds eh.
Oo nga eh. Malapit na yun sa alis namin. 16 ho, no?
16.
Hmm.
So, what's your
Nakaka
reaction upon learning this good news?
nakakatuwa naman. Super grateful as in, these awards meant so much for us, especially, no, this ice hockey is a growing sport, especially for the women's. So, very grateful.
Bukod pa rito, aasahan natin na mas marami pang mga awards sa mga panununan ng team. Meron pa yata yung Siklab Awards this coming March, yung regular na pagkalala din sa ating mga women in sports. But of course, we give updates to that. Elena, what's your reaction nga pala dun sa PSA Awards na matatanggap ninyo February 16?
very happy and I guess kind of surprised kasi since ngayon lang din namin nalaman ni Kath nung sinabi mo. So, very grateful. Yes.
At kahit papano, it is a huge step na rin for the development
Yes.
of women's ice hockey. Itong special citation from the Sports Writers Group. It is truly a good source of pride and inspiration na rin sa mga kabataan. Itong pagkapanalo ninyo ng special citation. Kat?
Yes po, very, very big, huge step for the, women's growth here sa Philippines.
Oh, by the way, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba yung mga clinics natin? I think meron pa yata kayong liga within this year. Tapos meron pa kayong girls ice hockey weekend this coming February kasabay yung training ninyo and other activities ng Hockey Philippines to make sure yung ating mga kids are luckily enough to train and to perform at the very best nga dito sa competitions na yon. So, ano ba ang asa natin for the team come 2026 aside from the World Championships? Kat?
So far ho kasi, no, Sir Gab, right now, um, focus talaga kami sa World Championship. But aside from World Championship, tuloy-tuloy naman yung Women's League games every week, every Sunday actually. And then, one of the leagues na we're looking forward is yung PMHL namin. Dati kasi, 3 to 4 teams lang. Pero ngayon, ang balita namin, magkakaroon na raw na 10 teams para sa PMHL. So that's really a huge growth for Philippine ice hockey.
Naku,
Yun.
dumarami na siguro yung mga nagiging
Hockey players.
interest
Oo.
ng mga hockey players na mapabata, mapamatanda, and even yung mga nakarinig lang yung balita sa Sports Corner or sa iba pa mga sports media outlets na nanalo kayo ng silver dun sa ice hockey, but for sure, it will entail more support financially, o di kaya ang plano yata ng SM is to upgrade or di kaya dagdagan nga yung mga ice rinks natin, especially in different malls niya. So, where you surprise of course sa mga plano nga sa development niya ng ating ice hockey, Elena.
Ano po ulit?
Yung
Medyo
sa development natin ng ating mga bata, were you surprised of course sa mga gagawin natin plano? Of course, daragdagan yung mga ice inks, tapos extra time din sa competitions and more leagues.
um, surprise and very, wait lang. Siyempre, since dati maliit lang yung community namin or like even I don't know kasi yung nung time na nag-join ako very onti lang talaga. Tapos ngayon it's very happy to see na dumadami na yung gusto mag-join kahit bata or like kahit magsa-start pa lang na kasing age ko dahil nga po sa sa media nakakita nila parang na-amaze sila na gusto nila mananasan yung ice hockey and my experience kahit my experience lang yung skating and
Ayun.
very 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 happy lang na gano'n na nakikita nila na dati kasi dati kasi pag sinasabi namin ice hockey yung sports hindi nila alam yon. So ngayon pag sinabi namin alam na nila and yeah, so very happy lang na nakikita na nila yung sport.
Okay, aside from the president and of course yung taga-SM, tapos si Chairman Pato, si Sir Ansi, meron ba kayong mga courtesy calls sa mga LGUs na kinabibilangan, tapos yung mga schools na pinanggalingan yung dalawa? May mga courtesy calls ba na inos ninyo? Especially yung, I think sa NU ka, no? Ah,
Yes, meron nung sa NU MOA po. Nung I think last week lang na-meet ko po yung president ng NU mismo. And then pinag-interview din kami for the school with my other schoolmates Rian. And I think na-invite din ako sa courtesy call namin sa barangay namin sa Bacoor. So, yeah, madaming din gustong may pag um, meet and ano lang. Yeah.
kahit kay Mayor strike man lang eh.
Opo, yes, yes.
Abangan
Kay Mayor
natin yan.
Strike.
Pero alam ko tapos na yun sa Bacoor eh. Nakita ko lang yung mga pictures ninyo. Sadly, dahil sa commitments, hindi ka nakadalo, no? Flag racing yun. Yan. Kat, ano yung
Mm.
mga courtesy calls na dinawan ninyo aside nga dun sa mga uli nyong pinuntahan? Yun sa Itumuro sa Kamuwa.
Sa amin naman ho, usually, yung na-meet ko yung provost namin sa school, nagpa-picture, and then na-post din sa social media ng Binild, Antipolo. Nag-post rin ang Taytay ng congratulatory post. And then, nag-message din ng mayor namin sa Antipolo, pero parang wala pa atang plan.
Oo, at abangan na lang natin yan yung kung ano mga
Opo.
magiging karagdagang mga courtesy calls na sa mga pangulo at baka may courtesy calls sa mga kinauukulan natin mga officials na rin. Kumpari, dagdag cash incentives na naman para sa ating team na rin. Anyway, baka may gusto kayong pasalamatan at matingin at imbitahan nyo sila sa inyong upcoming campaign. Naku, malapit na, February. Yung ating Estonia Worlds, no? So, Division 3, Group A, ang abol natin is yung maka-clinch tayo ng Group A slot. So, baka may gusto kayong pasalamatan and panawagan na rin sa mga taga-suporta. Elena muna.
Siyempre, first of all, thank you sa family ko and friends na laging nag-watch or laging sumusupport sa akin or laging understanding na kahit may late night trainings, naiintindihan nila na minsan late ako, ganon. So, yeah, very thankful sa kanila na supportive sila. Even sa mga professors ko sa NU, pa-shout out daw sila. So, yeah, very supportive naman nila and very understanding. So, thankful talaga.
Alright, thank you
Yes.
Elena and we'll see you soon pag mayroon kayong mga bagong ganap and of course good luck sa ating Team Pilipinas Women's Ice Hockey. Kathleen, your final take and of course closing remarks and pasasalamat and invite nyo sila sa ating upcoming campaign natin.
Yes, same lang din, no, to my friends and family for your um support, to our PSC, our federation, SM, our president, BBM, for all the support na na-receive namin. Thank you so much. And yes, so we invite you guys to watch our game this coming, our world's debut in Estonia. It's history in the making, our first, our first world. So yun, thank you.
Abangan namin yan. And thank you so much for your constant support sa amin. Of course, lagi nating tayo dumadalo sa iba't ibang mga activities ng ice hockey, especially yung Girls Ice Hockey Weekend. And then, yung courtesy call na with the SM and of course kay Chairman. And looking forward sa brighter things to come for our team natin and more opportunities for our women's ice hockey players natin. And again, thank you so much for your consistent and we're grateful to have your support nga dito sa amin sa Sports Corner, syempre. Thank you so much, Kat and Elena, and have a great day and see you around. Bye-bye! Maraming salamat po.
Bye-bye. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you for having us lagi.
Salamat po.